my name is Rupesh. So now you can see here, okay, your number. When I click on this filter, let's say, wait, actually my laptop is slow, that's why it's not properly working, but wait, now you can see here it will show you blank, right? So this is the issue, right? It is not capturing the data. Your data is connected with the calendar, this filter, and this data is actually connected with this packing and packing job. So you have created relationship, so you need the data on the basis of this selection filter. So the problem is in your relationship. So you can see here your calendar is contain only date, right? Whereas if you go to your packing and packing jobs, so in your packing jobs, if you go to there, so there will be timestamp. Yeah, I think so. Packing job, you can see there is a timestamp. It's contain date and time. Now your relationship here, if you see, is contain timestamp and date. So a relation date time work when both the value match together. Now date and date time is not matching together because date is single value, where date time contain multiple values, first date and second time. So that's why. So what you will have to do, create here new column. Just wait. Once you create this new column, after that change your relationship from timestamp to date one, like you can say now apply here date value function. So it will take only date from date and time. Okay, so now here it will take only date from date and time. You can see here. Now this is all done. Now what you will have to do, still it is showing the date and time format. Okay, so click on here, go to the table column. Where is your column table? You can see this is a date and time. So change this to date, because we are matching calendar date with this packing date. So you will have to convert into the date. Your original data will stay as it is. We are just created one more reference column, so it will pick up your data. Okay, so now just my latest time turn convert into this one. Click on here. Latest timestamp. Now you can see you will get more option, one to many, one to many, many to one, whatever you want, many to one. Now it is not many to many or not one to one. Okay, you can see here one to one is not possible because in your table there is so many content. Or you can do one thing, just click here calendar and here packing job. So one to many table will appear here. So your calendar table is here, because I am just changing the position of both table. Both the table will keep as it is same. So you can see one to many relationship is created, so there should be no issue between them. So now what will happen, now we have changed the relationship from your latest milestone. You can see here. Now click on here again I am clicking here. You can see your number is showing here right now, because in your file there are only 4 months: April, May and June. And if you go to your packing data table, so there are only 3 months, so that's why it is taking 3-month data. You can see April, and your first date is April, second date is May. Okay, so there are 2 months. So now you can see it is taking 2 months data. June is not done, only April and May month in data you have. So that's it. Just go to your packing job data, create one more column and use this date value, and after that go to your relationship, double click on this and change relationship to my latest timestamp, remove from timestamp and change into the my latest timestamp, and that's all. Thanks for watching.